Oh, that ticket's blown. What's that? 60. That one over there. Could you grab the ticket for us?
I was interviewing.
Pouring anything that black?
I didn't say.
It's not working.
Yes, for sure.
No, I'm alright, I've just got one. Thank you.
I've just got one as well, thank you. These guys have had nothing to do with it.
That's it to these.
Yeah. So I'm fit to drop.
That one's from there. Let's push that one back. What about that one? Okay, guys, so ladies first, finishing in third. We have number 80. Well done. Okay, second place for the ladies. We have 146. Very well done. If you just see, I'm not there. If you go see, we just need to grab your name, okay? Okay, and the winner for the ladies. We have 144. 144.
I'm happy I've got a monkey, right?
144.
Second.
Congratulations, that's your How do you drag? This year, for the men's third place, we have 105. For the men, second place, we have 98. And in first place for the men, what? We have 103. 93! No! No way!